Hello, dear aspirants. Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to Dear Future Teachers Educational YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss about measurement. You know, in a teaching learning process, measurement plays an important role. As a prospective teacher, you have to know your students' strength and ability. You have to measure their quantitative and qualitative aspects of teaching learning process. Measurement in education is a very complex phenomenon because educational measurement involves the mental process of individual which can only be measured from behavior. In normal classes, the instructional decisions are guided by a number of observations. For example, a teacher can know the learning difficulties of the students by asking questions, on the basis of which he can take remedial measures like total repeat of a chapter or using some learning aids or instructing for more practice to a students. As you know, in measurement process, we have recently launched in primary and upper primary as well as high school students Utkarsh, Utthan. So in this scheme, what we are doing, the basic fundamental of education, which is numeracy, counting, and the identifying the letters and reading in mother tongue and as well as foreign language or second language in English. So that is why we have to measure our students according to their stability. We have to foster a positive attitude towards our students. That is why we are developing so many workshops by the NCERT as well as State Council of Educational Research and Training, and also contributions of teacher training institutions and IISc as well as government elementary teacher education institutions, but that also involved in this process. So measurement in education plays a vital role, and it is indeed an important in present scenario. So some prominent educationalists have defined in that way. So we have to discuss some eminent and prominent educationalists' views. According to James Bardfield, measurement is the process of assigning symbols to dimensions of phenomenon in order to characterize the status of a phenomenon as precisely as possible. According to Guilford, measurement means the description of data in terms of numbers, and this in turn means taking advantages of many benefits that operates with numbers and mathematical thinking provide. According to Campbell, measurement means assigning of numbers to objects or events according to the rules. Great psychologist and educationalist, academician Thorndike and Hagen defines that anything that exists at all exists in some quantity is capable of being measured. That is education. That is educational measurement. So in this education and educational management, we are trying to measure our students through the observation, rating scale, checklist, portfolios, rubrics, and so many tools and techniques we have been used